Yo guys, what is going on? So I have a little bit of a different video again, and this is more so of how to gain more subscribers. Now, a lot of people, especially on YouTube, it's usually huge creators that are making these videos, and me, it's a little bit different because I only have like 20 something thousand. We actually just hit 24,000 subscribers today, so thank God for that. I love every single one of you guys. But for all those small creators, because I was recently just a small creator, I still consider myself fairly small. But I do just kind of want to state, especially with these new YouTube rules, how you can actually gain, much of a following. And I feel like it's really important because a lot of people want to say that YouTube is like, it's dead. If you want to join YouTube, it's completely gone. You should do something else or whatever. I say, I don't think that's true at all. I say that YouTube is still a viable option. People can still succeed on this platform. The first thing I want to state though is that I think YouTube actually did kind of a good thing, but it gives bigger creators like, I don't want to say I'm big, but I do benefit from this kind of. And I know it kind of sucks for smaller YouTube channels. It only gives you more motivation to continue. And I don't want that to be a hindrance to you guys. I really wish it could have stayed the exact same way, but you know what? Like, we can't really change that anymore. So in order to gain more following, you have to remember that, just compare yourself to a lot of other content creators. Why do you subscribe to them? I'm not trying to be all philosophical and stuff. I'm like an idiot, but you subscribe to them for a reason, right? Because they're funny, their personality, this and that. Same thing, you might have subscribed to my channel. Maybe you like my personality. Maybe you think I'm good looking. Or maybe you just like the technology I talk about, that's always an option. So when people subscribe to you, they're subscribing not technically to you, but the idea of you. They're subscribing to your personality. They're subscribing to so much more. So you have to make sure that your content is on point. If your content isn't on point, then obviously your videos are going to just be complete failures. I mean, I'll even show up, I want to put up like a Social Blade map of what I was doing, like my stats and stuff. And you can see from the beginning that I was literally like just coasting for a long time. And then I made one super dope video that got tons of views. And that literally carried the channel, and it still gets tons of views. That video was on top of every month I was getting the most views for like up until like a year ago. So for like a full like year and a half, that video was just getting more and more views, and it really bumped up the channel. And all it really takes is just one video. I don't know who said, I think it was Warren Buffett, but you just have to be right one time. And if you can get one video that gets like thousands of views, that'll just build up your following even more. And I do want to state, if you have like 800 subscribers or 600, or you're in the couple hundred subscriber range, you're going to get 1,000 in no time. Believe me. For me, going from 500 to 1,000 was like, it took a lot of work, I'm not gonna lie, but I got there so much sooner than from 0 to 500. So the 500 increments or 1,000 increments get faster and faster. And literally, it took me like 7-8 months to get to 1,000 subscribers. And then literally like this past like 10 days, I got 1,000 subscribers. So it's like, it just builds on top of each other every single time. So, and one thing specifically about smaller YouTube creators is that they're kind of lingering around in genres. And I personally feel like vlogging is one of those genres that if you're starting off in, you might not technically succeed in, because you have to remember that somebody's going to be watching your videos, and if nobody knows you, then why would they subscribe to a vlogging channel? You know what I mean? And I'm not trying to be harsh or anything. I was also thinking about a vlogging channel, and I kind of did start one, but I deleted all the videos because nobody was watching them. So you have to find a niche that's not only you're passionate about, but is popping right now. If you don't have a niche, I would just come to the technology realm, review stuff that you have, and just kind of go on from there. You shouldn't be getting mad about the whole money thing. Like, if YouTube stopped paying me right now, I would probably still do it just because it's so much fun. So you have to be kind of in that mindset. If you're doing YouTube for money, then you're doing it for the wrong reasons. Now granted, if I wasn't getting paid by YouTube, I probably wouldn't be making the type of videos and reviewing as much of the items that I do have. And another thing that actually exploded my channel, I was at like 2 million views, and then I end up like, now I get almost like, I'm pretty close to 1 million views a month. And one thing that really exploded that was uploading daily. And I think Casey Neistat said, he said, you cannot make it on this platform if you upload only one time a week or one time a month. And I personally do believe with that. Maybe one time a week is a little bit, a little bit more manageable, but especially one time a month. If you upload once a month, like, such a small amount of channels that actually succeed by that. I would highly suggest for you guys to at least upload, 3 or 4 times a week, honestly. Now for me, I upload daily. I upload more than one video a day sometimes, depending if there's like an update or whatever. And I understand for different channels it might be a little harder, but dude, at the end of the day, you can make it work. Like, definitely upload daily. That'll be like one of the greatest things you can do. Now another thing you can do, and this is where I'll end it off at, is giveaways. And it doesn't have to be something crazy, it doesn't have to be something super duper expensive, but if you have a small following, even if you only get like 30 views a video or like 100 views a video, imagine if you upload a video like 3 times a week, okay, they all get 100 views each. And let's say at the beginning of the video you say, hey guys, if you subscribe and I'm on all social networks, I'll be giving away this thing to one of lucky viewer or whatever. That literally increases subscriber rate like crazy. You have no idea. Right now, I'm giving away an Xbox One, and in order to enter, you just have to subscribe, and I'm on social networks. I've gotten so many subscribers from that. I've gained like thousands just this month, you know? So you just have to keep building and building, and I feel like giveaways, I imagine YouTube right now for me is like a business for me. There's been so many opportunities and stuff I've had from this channel that have definitely paid off on every single video that I've done, but I also invest a lot into this channel. You know, I honestly don't invest that much time, which might seem crazy because I upload daily, but it doesn't really take me that long to make videos like this. But I invest actually a lot of money. So all the money that I gain from YouTube, I literally just reinvest into YouTube. And you can probably tell because I have to buy the most expensive phones and stuff like that. And you can see from all the videos I have. And you can probably see some of the phones I have here. I'm not gonna flex on you guys, but I mean, wouldn't you subscribe to a channel who is giving away an iPhone or something like that? And I'm not saying you have to give that away. If you have something around your house, you know, like let's say like, hey guys, subscribe to the channel and give away this Rubik's Cube or something like that. This is a little bit older, but you guys get the idea. Like something small, it doesn't have to be huge. Whatever you can afford, you know, something is better than nothing. And if you gain like 100 subscribers that way, then your channels and your videos are only going to become more and more prominent when the people search for them, and you're going to gain more of a following, dude. On this platform especially, it's just building on top of building, and once you stop building, and once you stop posting, and once you stop doing everything, your channel starts declining. I'm at a point now where like if I stopped uploading videos, my viewership would go down for a bit, but then I'd probably plateau at around like a couple 100,000 views for a couple months, and I could probably make a lot of money like that too. But for me, it's not really about the money. It's more of like the growth. I'm in love with the growth right now, you know? And honestly, like, you should be in love with that too. I remember going from like 10 subscribers to 100 subscribers, and I was like, that's amazing. And then I remember going from 100 to 500, then 500 to 1,000, yada yada yada. And you guys should love it too, man. I'm sure you guys will get in love with the idea. It's a super cool process once you guys start getting into it. I'm not like the biggest creator or something like that, but I was literally just in your guys' shoes like not too long ago. So if there's a couple sentences, sum it up. Upload daily, have a personality, do something crazy, and do a giveaway of some sort, man. Be a likable person, and you know, that's pretty much it. So my camera's about to die, so I'm about to just cut it here. But yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Comment down if you guys have any questions or anything. I'll be happy to answer them. I'm really passionate about getting others to join this platform and stuff. So if you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Twitter or anything. Of course, I'm on all the social networks, and subscribe to the channel to enter the Xbox One giveaway. But more importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys, and hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.